And this is how South African women catch chicken.
And we about to catch some wild chickens. Wild chickens.
She's so beautiful, guys, eh? Guys, she's so beautiful. Okay, let's continue.
Delicious.
And I have my Tabasco sauce here, man. I'm ready. I'm ready. Catch that chicken, baby. Catch that chicken.
Can catch you.
Ay, man. Ah, Coxon is crying.
Scrum dilly yum yum. Scrum dilly yum.
Ah. Scrum fa fa. Scrum dilly fa fa.
Very interesting about the wild chicken is they would eat their own.
No. Ah, come on. Guys, no. No, 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 no. There was no reason for her to look so beautiful. How do you feed a chicken to another chicken?